hello again. Today we're making a dish for the last day of the Chinese New Year, which is called Bubur Cha Cha. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So now let's go and see what's so special about Bubur Cha Cha and actually what it is all about. I've got the story to tell. To make the Bubur Cha Cha, we'll need some taro or yam and some orange, sweet potato. If you have purple, you can add in extra. Need some black eyed peas. For the sauce, we will need coconut milk, 200 ml, sugar to taste, which is about 70 grams. We have one pandan leaf, which is frozen mine, so I took it from the fridge. And we also need some water, 300 grams. We would need a pinch of salt. Cut the taro into shapes, about 1 cm thick. And then we cut into diamond shape. And we put it in a steamer. Now we cut the sweet potato to the same size as well. Oh, it's quite hard. Now we put it on the steamer and we'll steam for about 10 minutes. For the tapioca jelly, I use 30 grams of tapioca flour and 20 grams of corn flour. We're adding in some boiling water, about 60 grams to 70 grams of boiling water. We'll bring it together. So we'll get the thing out here and then we'll knead it. Knead it until it's a smooth dough. I add a few drops of coloring. You can actually add it in the water if you want. The reason I did this was because I want to do 2 colors. Let's mix it up. I'll make it a streaky one, which is like unicorn color. So I have blue and pink, and that's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to make it streaky. And I'm going to do the same for the pink. I'm going to add some more color. So I'm going to make it streaky. So I've rolled it out. We're going to cut out some shapes. Here, the blue color. Oops. And we have this one. Let's take a look. It's all done now. We'll leave it to cool. We bring a pot of water to boil and then we put in the tapioca. Make sure you stir it so it doesn't stick together. It has floated up, then it should be cooked. And we're gonna lift it up. And put it on the cold water. Now we do another batch. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. This float up and it's transparent because you can see the blue color stronger. So if it's transparent, that means it is cooked. And we'll lift it out. I just love seeing the flowers moving about in the pot. Now we're going to cook the sauce. So I'm going to put the water in here. Oops. And I'll put the pandan leaf that has been torn into shreds and tie into a knot. Yeah. If you want, you can tie 2 knots. So it's easier to handle. Okay. We add in the sugar and bring it to the boil and let it simmer so that the pandan smell can get into the syrup. So I'm going to add the coconut milk. This is light coconut milk. And then we let it simmer. Now it's come to a simmer. So we just switch it off and the gravy or the sauce is ready. Don't forget a pinch of salt to bring up the sweetness. So now we're finished cooking the Bubur Cha Cha. We're going to plate up everything together. To make the Bubur Cha Cha, we will need a bit of sweet potato, some taro, black eyed pea, which I got from a tin, very pretty tapioca flowers. Ooh, aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. Look. Add a blue one more blue. Blue, blue, my world is blue. Blue is my world and I'm without you. Okay, we'll add some of the coconut. So, there we go. So it makes a very nice dessert. Really, really pretty. Here we are, Bubur Cha Cha. So here we are. This is my Bubur Cha Cha. I'm not sure how it became really known as Bubur Cha Cha. Bubur in Malay means porridge. Cha Cha, I'm not sure what it means. It could mean like chap chap, like mixed. Let me try and let's do the Bubur Cha Cha Cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, step bow change. Let's try the sauce, the soup, and the taro. I thought I didn't want it to be so sweet, but it's pretty sweet. Now I'm going to have the sweet potato. There's some of the black eyed pea from the can. And the tapioca flour. On the 15th day of the Chinese lunar calendar, which is the last day of the Chinese New Year celebration, it is also known as the Chinese Valentine Day, because in the olden days, the maidens will go out, by the sea, especially in Penang, in Esplanade. And then the young men will go there, and they'll be like, people will meet each other and see each other, and from there, they will sort of see whom they think is nice, or they want to get hooked up with, or to get introduced to. And the Chinese ladies, or the Nyonya ladies, would throw orange into the sea. Tim tam ke ho ang means you throw the orange and you will marry a nice husband, a good husband. So that's the story behind this Chap Goh Meh. We used to cook this and offer it as a prayer item in our Chap Goh Meh celebration. So I hope there's a bit of history and you enjoy watching me making that. It's quite simple. So if you like my program, please don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And I hope to share with you a bit more stories about the food if I have, that will make it even more interesting. Don't forget to share if you think someone else might benefit from this program of mine. So until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So until the next time, bye. Happy Chap Goh Meh. Bye. Bye. Until the next round. See you. Bye.